Here we go.
No, I get it. I'm recording it on this.
It's really getting squished.
Hold on, I'm zooming in again.
I think the top pops up, or the bottom.
Yeah, but the rubber band's gonna go flying too.
What is happening here?
I think it goes from the top up.
This is my project, Mom.
Oh.
We're going to explode this watermelon.
It's an explosion. This is the
Would you like
first
to come
time
over and help?
this has ever happened.
Ever been done.
No, I just got one of those.
20 minutes of pure
You think
enjoyment.
Will it just fall off, or will it go up?
I don't know. Don't get your face too close, Bob.
It's looking like it's ready.
I feel like it's gonna hurt.
Melody and Bob, is this going to go up in the air, or is it just going to lay on the ground?
No, it's gonna explode out
I
at
think
us.
it deleted. I think it deleted
Where
it.
did you find the rubber bands are almost.
Oh my
Is this
goodness.
your idea, Mel, or is this something you found?
I saw it on Facebook.
He's no fool.
Bob, you're good taking one for the team.
You guys need aprons on or towels or something?
Yes.
Is it supposed to?
Do you have aprons with you?
Is it supposed to
I
go?
thought it was more the safety goggles that you were concerned about.
That's a Brazilian watermelon.
Sprite. You got any Arnold?
Yeah, want one of those?
Yeah. Good.
Ice?
No.
Okay.
Arnold Palmer.
4th of July shenanigans with Mel.
I'm going to start drinking it.
Half and half what?
Half lemon, half lime. We used to call that drink. Nice.
What's the top? It's kind of like popped off.
The bottom looks more bubbles.
It would be bad if it explodes differently than you anticipate.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really heavy.
Are you supposed to do that?
Have you broken the rule?
I don't know, but it looks more bulbous on the top. I mean, look at that.
That's just going to be more to splat.
Did they say about how many rubber bands?
500.
Mel?
No, I'll take it.
Bill said 500.
How many?
500?
How many have you done?
Did you say 500?
Yeah, in the video.
500?
It's probably the same one that you saw.
How many have you done?
We don't
Oh,
know.
the crack is definitely getting bigger right by your hand, Mel. It's getting close.
They never did.
Something's happening!
Oh my God, it's getting close.
It's leaking! I saw
Oh
it!
yeah, oh yeah, it's coming.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Who wants to take over?
Nobody.
Nobody.
You guys are in it.
You want to go this far and not finish it?
Yep. Gotta like to watch it.
Oh, I can't even get.
Whoa!
Quick!
You want me to do it?
You want to do
Want me
it?
to do it?
How many elastics do you have?
A pound.
A pound?
Yep, I don't know
I
how
can't
much that
even.
is.
You might not do it the right way if it's cracking.
No, that was just going to split.
Oh my God.
Might
Coming
just
right out
crack.
of it.
Oh no.
did. Yeah.
It's got a mouth. Okay, it's going to spew watermelon out of the mouth.
You need a partner.
Grandma might just use the word
Gotta
spill.
whack
Oh,
your
Jen,
red
I can't
head
get it.
Yeah, I know.
Honey, where's your phone? Oh,
That's
so sad.
It looks like an animal.
Keep going.
Oh, it's still going.
Keep going.
Lifting.
It's going
You're
towards
not done
Bob.
yet. Hooray! Nicely done. Tough. And Nick is